Hey girlfriends, welcome. Hey girlfriends, welcome back to another video. If you see, I'm all dolled up for the beginning of the video, which is rare. But we're gonna talk about these eyebrows today. They speak for themselves. So if you want to see how I achieve this look with these eyebrows, just keep on watching. I just went from real cute to looking like this, but this is the truth of the matter. I've already filmed this video, but I did not like it. So if you see like a clip of me in a different outfit, you know why. And I didn't want to put that same shirt on because I didn't want to, period. Anyways, so it comes in this cute, well, this is not cute, but this is the packaging, and then it has some confetti, a business card, and you see, of course, the product. So this is her business card. Real cute. Real cute. I love Naya. I've been following her for years. She has a podcast, YouTube channel. She's on Instagram. I'm pretty sure everything's Naya Ivy, but I know her Instagram is the Annihilator. So I'll probably I'll put it in the description box below. And then of course you already seen the confetti, and then here is I kind of ripped it a little bit when I opened it, but we're not gonna look at that. This is the, oh, it's holographic. Get into the details. And I got this in the shade Ebony. I usually don't do ebony, but I was like, let me try something new. So here we go. I can't even open this. And it's not tested on animals. The last 12 months. That's great. I'm having trouble opening this. So here is the packaging. It's just her logo that's on everything. I think it's real cute, real classy. And it comes sealed, which I really like. I'd keep it on there so your product lasts. Keep it nice and fresh. Keep all our moisture in there. Now I'm gonna zoom you guys in. We're gonna get into it. It usually takes me forever to do my eyebrows, so let's see how long it takes me today. If you want to know how I got my eyebrows done, I think the video should be up before. Oh no, it won't be. Check out the next video next week, because I show you how I do them. I nair my eyebrows and pluck them. I show you how I do that. I'm going to be looking down because I'm looking in my mirror. And I know she does have, oh my gosh, sorry. She does have a lot of other products. She has lip mixers, which are lip glosses and lipsticks and lip liners. She had an eyeshadow palette that came out. I have eyelash glue on my eyeballs. Don't look at that. Yeah, she had a couple products come out. She has hair products. She does accessories. I've always wanted to order something, but I just never knew what to order. But I guess, do you see that? Why is that eyelash being like that? But this is my first time ordering anything from her. I'm just putting in real quick because I did want to show you guys the actual shade that I got. And I got this in Ebony, and it's just a quick clip of what the shade looks like before I dip into the eyebrow. I usually do this eyebrow first, but because this one looks better, I'm going to do this one first so I can try to match it to that one. If that makes any sense. Okay, so why do I look so, there we go. It's very, very creamy. Literally, you just need a dot. Nothing more. Okay, here we go. Sorry, I can't talk when I do this. This is nice. I'm barely even touching my eyebrow. I like that, girl. Boom. It's a little sharp, but I like to go in after. I'm trying to look. I like to go in after I do my concealer to do the top of my brows, because what's really important to me is that I get this angle, or this angle good. What? Oh look, it just kind of blend right in. I guess I have a little too much product on there. That's why I said like a little really goes a long way. Like you could dip your eyebrow, you could barely dip the eyebrow brush in there and you'll be good for both of your eyebrows. Okay, focus back in. That's a little too thick right there, but it's okay. Okay. It's not as sharp as the other one, but I can fix that. They're like cousins right now. I'm not mad at it. They're not the product, my eyebrows themselves. I'm actually really liking the product, if I have to be honest. This might be a new holy grail. And it's black owned. This one kind of curves more and this one's kind of straight. But I kind of like this one better. They're like, on camera, to me, they look better in camera than they do in the mirror. But it's okay. We gonna work with that because I'm not trying to be here all day. My hair is wet. I'm gonna fix her. I look like bae. I don't know what song that is. But, okay. Now this stuff I'm using now is not black owned and it's not by Naya, so I'm just gonna just fast forward this and we'll come back when my eyebrows are done. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Y'all ain't ready. Get into the eyebrows, please. Y'all know I don't wear eyelashes. I wore lashes for Naya because these eyebrows are looking so good. I was like, let me just do a little something for the people. So overall, I give this product a 10 out of 10, 15 out of 10. I absolutely love it. If I have to be honest, it's way better than the Anastasia Beverly Hills. The dip brow, canceled. Done. This is the truth. I absolutely love her dip brow. It's amazing. It's $18 on her website, and again, she sells like hair extensions, accessories, her new cosmetics line. So yeah, make sure y'all go check her out for sure. I'll have everything linked below. Do you guys think this color's okay though? I think like I can't be looking at my eyelashes now. I ain't put them on too good. I think I could low-key, actually no, I think the ebony looks good with my black roots. But I usually do chocolate, so it's a little of a difference for me. But I'm liking it, like, look in the mirror, yeah. I like how dark it is. I did my brush in there one time and I didn't have to go back in for like the whole time. So I know it's gonna last me 12 months the 12 months that it does last. So y'all might want to go get y'all some because I need to go get at least 2 more in the chocolate one because I really want to try it now to see the color difference. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I will be doing IGTV on my eyebrows. If you want to see how I did the whole face, I'll do the IGTV on the whole face, but for the video I want to focus on the black owned brand from Naya. I really love her. That's my girl. Y'all go check her out. But thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Make sure you guys are staying safe and keep deep conditioning. Toodles.